All right. So if you've been using any of the vibe coding tools and you've been rate limited, for instance, you've been using Claude or OpenAI or VS Code, Copilot, and you've been rate limited, I got news for you. It's just going to get worse. Okay. I'm going through the exact same thing. Everybody's been complaining about this. Let me show you sort of my experience and just let you know how frustrated I am about it. All right, so check this out. So I'm literally here sitting and I got a bunch of stuff running, and midway through my application, I get this message. You've reached your weekly limit. Please upgrade your plan, blah, 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 blah. Okay, fair enough. Upgrade your plan, you say? Sure, let me click on learn more. I click on learn more. Where does it take me? Troubleshooting common GitHub issues, okay? So I scroll down. What does it do? Literally gives me very, very generic information, but hey, they told me I can upgrade my plan. So fine, let's go across to my plan and go to usage. Okay, it says, okay, you've been using a lot. I could see that. I've been vibe coding a lot. I got a lot of stuff I'm trying to get done. So let's just try to do increase our request. So you see here, includes premium requests. So I'm just barely hitting the rate limit and they've already capped me. So I'm like, okay, let's just go increase the plan. Click on increase plan. It says premium requests, 105%. So I don't know what the difference is between those two. It makes no sense to me, but let's keep going on. We're gonna click on upgrade your request. Oh, look, I have another budgets and alert. What is my budget right now? It says I'm at $3.52. I have a budget of $300. So why is it that I have this budget set, but somehow I'm at, if I click here, I have this maximum. And then if I click here on my usage, it's so confusing as to what the actual thing is. I have no idea, right? Like, look at this page, for instance, right? It says Copilot usage, $3.52. Premium usage, $3.52. Now, all of a sudden, I'm at my max. So it doesn't make any sense. So which is it? Am I at my limit or am I not at my limit? I'm just really frustrated. This is a message to the AI gods. Y'all got to do something about this because you're holding up productivity at this particular point, and especially GitHub Copilot at this particular point. Up until now, I was doing okay, but I actually believe that this is like the end of an era. 100%, this is an end of an era. So I think going forward, what you're going to start to see is there's just going to be cap on AI usage. We're literally coming out of the phase where it was wild, wild west, and you're going to start seeing you're going to have to be really paying for productivity, right? At this particular point, I'm getting, I would say, about 10x. So I've had about 13 developers as the maximum amount of employees I've had before in the past, okay? And at this point, I could say 100% certainty that my productivity has surpassed my previous 10 developers that I've had, for sure. So the productivity gains are real in terms of development and coding. However, as a result of that, there's going to be just more and more throttling because obviously AI usage is climbing and companies can't keep up and they're trying to, think, I thought it was safe, but, it doesn't matter. Even though I'm literally trying to pay more money, it doesn't matter. So if I could make an analogy, when the cell phone companies back in the day, early days, when cell phones came out, after the internet came and blah, 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 there was a period of time where cell phones were unlimited. There was unlimited data on cell phone plans. And then that changed and you started seeing caps, 1 gig, 2 gigs, 3 gig kind of deal. And fast forward, it took maybe a decade or something like that for them to start doing unlimited again at significantly higher premiums. So I think that's going to be the same type of trend that you're going to see with AI. We're at this particular point in time, we're in April 2026. We're done with all of the, wild, wild west spending on AI, free tokens, like Google is cutting down, Copilot is cutting down, Claude is everybody's cutting down right now. And as a result, you're going to have to start paying for your things. So while stocks last, or while supplies last, get your AI credits and your tokens maximized because hard times are coming, my friends. Hard times are coming. Anyway, stay safe and keep vibe coding out there.